Welcome to this video on the BioAesthetics V-Taper Core Protocol. We will be exploring the essential principles of 3D abdominal architecture and waist minimization. In this section, we discuss the core trap, understanding why many standard ab workouts might actually work against your goal of achieving a V-taper. We want to avoid the blocky waist phenomenon. Heavy lateral flexion can cause external obliques to expand outward, which impacts your overall aesthetic profile. Pillar 1 focuses on the transverse abdominis, which acts as your body's internal corset system. The vacuum advantage is key to waist tightening and spinal protection. We recommend 5 sets of 30-second holds, performed fasted in the morning. Moving to Pillar 2, we emphasize anti-rotation training to build core stability without adding unnecessary mass to your waist. Compare the impact of anti-rotation versus rotation. Our protocol is designed to minimize oblique mass growth while maximizing stability. For the Pallof Press, keep hips straight and glutes engaged. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions per side, holding the extension for 2 seconds. Pillar 3 covers the rectus abdominis and the serratus, which are essential for creating a 3D six-pack frame. To target lower abs, focus on posterior pelvic tilt. When performing hanging leg raises, ensure you roll your pelvis up toward your chest. The serratus anterior provides that sharp ribcage look. Cable pullovers and scapular push-ups are excellent for defining these muscles and improving posture. Here is our complete core exercise matrix, detailing the target areas, movements, and recommended volume and frequency for your training. Follow this progression roadmap from week 1 through week 12 to build your mind-muscle connection and achieve peak waist tightness. The goal is a razor-sharp midsection that is tight, functional, and aesthetically proportional. To optimize your core and download the full blueprint, please visit the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching. This video utilized several image sources, including material from AthleanX, Life Fitness, Wikipedia, and Lemon 8 to illustrate these core training concepts.